हेलो, हाय, नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू सुपर टॉक विद प्रियंका गुप्ता। कहते हैं औरत मोहताज नहीं किसी गुलाब की, वो खुद बागबान है पूरे कायनात की। सो टुडे in this series we have a wonder woman, Miss Seema. Hi Seema, how are you? Welcome to the show.
Hi Priyanka, I'm doing fabulous. Thank you so much, giving me this opportunity and inviting me on your show.
Wow, the honor is all mine, Seema. आप एक ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कोच हैं, आप एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हैं, डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योर कोच हैं एंड Amazon बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर हैं. Wow, such a lovely journey. A big round of applause to you, Seema.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So Seema, I was wondering that what is this digital entrepreneur coach actually like? What is this digital entrepreneurship? Is this something new? Because I am hearing it for the first time.
See, this is the trend. We are living in a digital world, and everything is going digital. Even like you can take the examples of schools. These days schools are happening on the mobile phones, and it's everywhere. It is like all digital, and I don't have to prove it. There shouldn't be any evidence like right now, because how we are communicating with each other is again also a digital medium. So
yes.
Yeah, so digital entrepreneur is someone who is using their skills, their capabilities, their passion, their hobbies, and simultaneously they are trying to earn a profit from the internet. So that is what the digital entrepreneur is. And the categories which fall, like these are not like limited, but I'll list few categories. So it could be YouTuber and blogger, social media influencers, SaaS founders, applications, digital marketing, freelancers. So the list goes on. So this is like very crazy, and it starts from, a digital entrepreneur can be like, you doesn't require any skills. You can just do with your hobby, your passion. And again, there is other digital part of it, which is like more technical, saying SaaS, and there is CEO. So it is like, kind of a mix. So it is technical as well as non-technical. And when it comes to the technology, like if you want to become a digital entrepreneur, then you have to fill that gap. In like by investing in yourself, like you have to upgrade your skills required, to be a digital entrepreneur.
Yeah, that's great. That's lovely. So आजकल ये digital entrepreneurship is limited to men, or it is also for women nowadays? Can women be digital entrepreneur as well?
Yes. See, it is for everyone, I would say. Not even men, women. It is also for teenagers. And, I have also seen students, school-going students starting their Instagram account, becoming influencers. And, there are like baby influencers who don't even know like what is happening, but there is an account created for them, and they are like the kids model. Like they influence the baby products. So this is for everyone. It is not age restricted. It is not gender based. But I would like to add that women can take more advantage of it, because we women we have certain restrictions, like our responsibilities, and then babies. So we would like to do something while we are like at our comfort zone, like home, and someone who wants to be like do a business plus manage their house, like all their responsibilities. For them, it's like the it's like amazing. It's magical. It's very easy, and it's like very simple, because I'm one of them. The reason why I'm so confident in telling this, because I come from that background. See, I got married, so I actually come from a corporate experience. Like I carry 8+ years of corporate experience, and then I had my maternity gap. Post that, I couldn't join full time again. So I was finding ways where I can have my independence, like my financial independence, plus I should be able to manage my house plus my baby. So this gave me a huge opportunity. So I just encashed it, I encashed social media, internet, and so that's how I become, like, I started with digital marketing, and now I'm a digital entrepreneur coach, and then like a transformational coach. So even the digital, coaches, like different coaches, maybe happiness coach, and there are like so many coaches, even they fall under digital entrepreneur. So, that's how it is.
वाओ, लेकिन मैं सोचती हूँ कि ज्यादातर ये टेक्निकल नॉलेज, आई एम नॉट टेक सेवी पर्सन पर्सनली, और मेरे भी जो फ्रेंड सर्कल में ज्यादातर women I have come across, they are not that having technical backgrounds or having that degrees and these educational experiences. Okay, तो क्या लगता है आपको कि कोई भी women अगर उसका कोई भी टेक्निकल नॉलेज नहीं है, तो क्या वो एक सक्सेसफुल डिजिटल एंटरप्रेन्योर बन सकती है यूजिंग योर मेथड्स एंड स्ट्रेटजीज?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. See, all my courses that I have created, for digital entrepreneur and for the Instagram, they all are created keeping the beginner in mind, like a non-technical person. So, that the course, the workshop, I wouldn't call it a course, because it is like, action-oriented workshop, wherein they'll be given like daily tasks, and there will be, weekly meetups and question and answer sessions. So this starts from the scratch. So there is no technical background or any kind of prior experience required. So it's just that strong passion and the desire and the hungry, they have to be hungry for learning to skill that, the gap is there. Obviously they need skills, but it's not that they have to be, with those, like they don't have to be like techie savvy or something. They just have to follow my instructions and do the daily task. And, if there are any questions or any doubts they are coming up with, they can definitely reach out to me, because this workshop is more like a, accountability partner. So I'm always there. So anything, they can always reach out to me, and I will clarify the doubts. So to answer your question, yes, the techie savvy person is not required. As I said, like, the digital entrepreneur has two parts of it. One is non-technical and the other is technical. So if you're going to the technical, again, it's like web designing, SEO, SaaS, applications, all that. But so what I do is I support my clients to turn their passion into a profitable business. It could be simple as baking, cooking, or maybe a boutique. So simple things like that, or maybe a hobby, a photography, anything, you can, if you're passionate about something and if you're willing to fill that gap, upgrade yourself, and you're willing to learn, then yes, you can be a digital entrepreneur without any technical skills.
Wow, so it's going to help a lot of women in this lockdown phase now, because yes, abhi bahut zyada risky hai. Many women have stopped working now. They have resigned, and it is going to affect a lot of digital entrepreneurs actually. Yeah. Yes. So, Seema, like, what do you say? What is as per your experience, what is your opinion on what is the future of this digital platform, doing a business on this digital platform? Is there something permanent going to be established in this industry, or it's just temporary phase and it will go away with the passage of time?
Not at all. So we are looking for like more growth, in the digital field. So the one advantage of digital is you can reach beyond your limits using the global online space. So your reach is not limited, and that's what makes it more powerful. all the companies are moving, from the traditional marketing to the digital marketing. They are already in transition. So digital transformation is already happening. And in India, it has a huge scope, by 2025, the digital marketing will be 160 billion, which is like 3 times more than its current value. So it's like only alone in India. So just imagine, how much it will be like worldwide. So that's how it is. Like digital is very, very powerful. And all thanks to COVID, it is like catching up more speed, because if COVID wouldn't have happened, maybe it was happening, the transition and the transformation was happening, but because of the COVID, it's like more rapid now, because it's the need of the hour. It's the lockdown,
Yeah, right.
people can't go outside. So, COVID is like not a great situation that has happened to humankind, but again, it has its own positive and negative side of it.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
So, I was wondering, like, कहते हैं वैसे हमारे पूर्वज भी कहते हैं कि लेडीज अगर काम नहीं भी करे तो चलेगा, बिकॉज बच्चे हैं, घर है, हस्बैंड है, रिलेटिव्स है, फैमिली है, इन सबको भी हमें ही देखना है, राइट? तो आपको क्या लगता है कि कितना जरूरी है एक औरत के लिए फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट होना? So, Seema, first of all, congratulations. You have been, you have published this Amazon best-selling book, and I want you to share a little bit about it. What this book is all about.
Okay, so I have published 2 books, Priyanka. So my first book is Digipreneur, which is like a digital entrepreneur. And this book talks about how how you can. So this is again like a little crash course of what I actually do in 30 days of my course, the Blueprint of Multimillionaire Digipreneur System. So that is my course, which is which I offer for 30 days. So this is like a short crash course of that. So using this book, they will understand. It's like a step-by-step process how you can launch your digital business, how you can turn your passion into a profitable business. So that's what it is. And my second book is the natural technology, the number 1 natural technology of success. So now you may ask me like, why it is the natural technology? Even natural technology does exist. So
yeah, that is surprising.
So why I call it a natural technology is, the reason is very simple. See, we human beings, we have so many unknown fears and unknown powers as well. So we don't know about fears, and we also don't know about our powers. So when it comes to fears, if we can, be aware of your fear, acknowledge and accept it. So the next time it shows up, you know that, okay, this is my fear, and you will be able to overcome. So that is one. So you need to know your fears. So many people have these roadblocks, and these are nothing but fears, somewhere the fears that they have been because of some of the other incidents since from the childhood. So that's how it is. So once you remove your fears, then you'll be like able to know your powers, how powerful it is. Like a simple example I can give you is, agar ek maa ko aap, like that is the I'm talking about the power of love, how powerful it is. Ek maa hai, and like how much a mother loves his baby or maybe his family. This is like just one example that I'm giving. Agar if a mother knows that her baby is in a danger, she will go beyond. Won't you think? It could be anything. It could be anything. She'll go beyond to save her baby. And what is that? What exactly it is? It is your natural technology. So we human beings work on love, courage and action. So you need to understand that love is the one thing which will take you beyond your potential. And courage is something that, you need to be having, like you have to overcome your fear and have that courage. Ki kuch bhi hurdle ho. For example, if a woman wants to start earning to make, wants to become independent, then the first thing she has to face the fear is कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, मेरी family क्या कहेगी, मैं how the people will be, इतने सारे because she is like at home and उसकी family है, and when she's steps out, it's like a different world. Like there are many people, managers there, and all that, you know. So the second thing is like you have to come out of the fear, and that takes courage. And third is action. So you know your power. So anything you love, you'll go beyond your potential. So do
Yes.
what you love. So that is the mantra. Do what you love, and you'll go beyond your potential, and you will be succeeded. Action is like mandate. You know, you have to stop resistance, kill your procrastination, and then take action. Action. You know, these are like the main things, and the last one would be focus. So there are
Yeah.
like many distractions, especially for women, because they have like so many responsibilities and family members, and you know there is a baby, and that there is always again a testing phase for women कि वो जब भी कुछ करना चाहती हैं, and there is like some or the other thing happening कि, for example, if a mother wants to like do something with her business, and there is like, you know, her baby comes to her like mama मुझे ये करो वो करो, and maybe if she
Yes.
wants to go out to office, and then like the baby falls sick. So this is like a testing phase that God gives every now and then to us. You know, whatever happens, if there is a challenge, if there is a difficult situation, it is nothing but God is testing you.
Wow.
God is testing you to
Yes.
understand, you know, how badly you want, what you want, how badly you want, how far you can go to achieve it.
So Seema, being such a strong woman, courageous, powerful, what message would you want to give to all women around the world?
Okay, one message, you know, that I would definitely like to give to all my sisters around the world would be, you know, there is this society built notion, okay, कि एक औरत कभी दूसरी औरत की फ्रेंड नहीं हो सकती.
Yes. The myth is going around.
I understand, right? So, you know, this is what people say, and this is like a wrong notion, you know. This is like totally wrong, you know. I know, like that in my opinion, what I feel is people created this to you know, have that split and rule kind of a formula, so that women are not powerful. Yeah, so that's how, like, you know, so एक औरत दूसरी औरत की friend नहीं हो सकती, so that's how they want to split the unity, and then they rule the women, you know. So
Definitely.
तो मैं इसीलिए, you know, to all my sisters, I would like to just give one particular message. You know, when we women, you know, understand our true potential in supporting each other, you know, I mean, like, incredible things can happen. We can't even imagine. It is magical. So I would request all my sisters, you know, to just support each other. You know, the only way we can rise is we can only rise by lifting each other, and this is what we all women need to do. We all are sisters, soul sisters, so we have to support each other and break that you know, that thing. I really don't want to listen to that anytime ki, you know, women are jealous of women, they can't be friends, and you know, all that. So yeah, this is what, like, you know, my one message to all my sisters around the world.
You are breaking a long existing myth today. That's cute. Seema, it was a pleasure having you on this show. You know, you just enlightened us with a lot of, you know, technical, non-technical, and the vision you are having, the mission you are on, and the journey you are pursuing so far. It's beautiful, and all the very best from all of us for all your future endeavors. Okay?
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for having me. It's been a pleasure, and
Thank
you know, you are an amazing personality. So thank you so much for calling me on your show.
Thank you, Seema. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.